Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the sounds within the Hexa Sort game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hexa Sort game on your device. And once you open it up, you will notice that there are various sounds playing within the game. And if you want to turn them off, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and you will see the speaker icon. Go ahead and tap on this, and now this will mute all sounds within the game. You can start enjoying your game and you will notice that no more sounds are playing. If you wish to change this setting back on, you can simply tap on the gear icon and then tap on the same icon to unmute your game once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Hexa Sort game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.